hello, muraho, hello, muraho, hello, muraho. Hi, I start my lesson. I start my lesson. Ntangiye isomo ryanjye. I start my lesson. I start my lesson. We start our lesson. We start our lesson. Dutangiye isomo ryacu. I start my lesson. We start our lesson. My lesson, isomo ryanjye. Your lesson, isomo ryawe. Your lesson, isomo ryawe. English lesson, isomo ry'icyongereza. English lesson, isomo ry'icyongereza. Our lesson, isomo ryacu. Our lesson, isomo ryacu. Our lessons, our lessons, amasomo yacu. My lessons, amasomo yanjye. My lessons, amasomo yanjye. My yanjye. My lessons, amasomo yanjye. My lessons, amasomo yanjye. Our lessons, amasomo yacu. Our yacu. Our yacu. I start my lesson. Ntangiye isomo ryanjye. I start my lesson. Ntangiye isomo ryanjye. Nababwiye inshinga ebyiri mu bihe bigiye binyuranye. Hari igihe nakoresheje start, hari n'igihe nakoresheje begin. Ndababwira ngo to begin ni ugutangira, to start ni ugutangira. Okay? Ntekereza ko uri kugenda umenya amagambo. Icyo dukora turagira ngo tumenye amagambo menshi, tubivange n'inshinga gake gake kuzageza igihe dutangira kubikoresha dukora interuro. Ariko twabimenye. Okay. My lesson today, isomo ryanjye uyu munsi isomo ryanjye is vocabulary. Ni inyunguramagambo. Vocabulary, inyunguramagambo. Isomo ryanjye ni inyunguramagambo. My lesson is vocabulary. My lesson is vocabulary. Isomo ryanjye ni inyunguramagambo. Kumenya amagambo atandukanye. Okay. The words. Okay. Abaye iki? Amagambo menshi. The words we have. Amagambo dufite. The words we have. Amagambo dufite are this. Okay. The words we have are this. The words we have are this. The words we have are this. Okay. Amagambo dufite naya. This. This. Okay. The words we have are this. Ni aya. Okay. The lessons. Okay. The lessons. Okay. Lessons. Okay. Isomo, amasomo. Isomo, amasomo. Listen, lessons. Okay. Word, words. Okay. This. 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 Okay. Oh, okay. turabimenya. The words we have to. The word we have are this. The words we have are this. Amagambo dufite naya. Umuntu, person. Umuntu, person. 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 Umuntu. Person. Umuntu. People. People. Okay. Murabyibuka. Yaho nakoresheje ijambo kenshi my people. Abantu banjye. My people. Abantu banjye. People. Abantu. People. Abantu. People. Do you remember that when in my first video I used the people, people, abantu. Okay, people, abantu. My people, abantu banjye. Okay. Person, umuntu. My person, umuntu wanjye. Godless people, godless people, abantu b'Imana. God people, God people, God people, God people, God people, God people. Okay, abantu b'Imana, God people. Okay, a good person, umuntu mwiza, person. Umuntu mwiza. Twagiye. Person, umuntu, people, abantu. Okay. Boy, a boy. Umuhungu, boy, umuhungu, boy, umuhungu. Iyo babaye benshi baba abahungu, boys. Boy, umuhungu, boys, abahungu. Boy, umuhungu, boys, abahungu. I am boy, ndi umuhungu. I am boy, ndi umuhungu. I'm boy. Okay, ndi umuhungu. Ndi umuhungu. Okay. Twagiye. Umukobwa, girl. 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 Bisubiremo. Repeat that. Subiramo. Repeat that. Subiramo. Repeat. Subiramo. Repeat. Subiramo. Girl. Umukobwa. Girls. Girls. Abakobwa. Girls. Okay, abakobwa. Girls, abakobwa. Girl, umukobwa. Boy, umuhungu. Boys, abahungu. Person, umugabo. Person, umuntu. Person, umuntu. People, abantu. Byaje kuraje. Ngasubiramo mbwira. Tok more words. Okay. Man, umugabo. Man, a man, person, umuntu, umugabo. A man, person, umuntu, umugabo. Person, umuntu. Man, umuntu, umugabo. A man, umugabo. Okay, kaje urimo urakamenya. Yego, urakamenya, nanjye ndabyumva. A man, umugabo. Okay. Tukonya nanone kuri man bivuga umugabo, ushobora nanone bakoresha husband. Husband ni umugabo. Umugore ufite umugabo aba ari husband. Okay. Husband, umugabo. Man, a man. Okay. Umugabo, husband, aba umugabo nanone. Okay. the men, man umugabo, a man umugabo, the men, men abagabo, men abagabo, men abagabo, man umugabo, person umuntu, people abantu, person umuntu, people abantu, girl umukobwa, girls abakobwa, man men, man umugabo, men abagabo. Okay. Birimo biraza ni uko nguko tuzajya tugenda tubyiga gahoro gahoro. Okay, a boy, umuhungu, the boys abahungu, boy, boys. Okay, boy umuhungu, boys abahungu. Okay. You are a good person, uri umuntu mwiza. You are a good person. You are a good person. You are a good person. Okay. You are a good person. Okay. You are a good person. You are a good person. Kindly. You are a good person. Okay. Teacher. Teacher. Mwarimu. Teacher. Umwarimu. Teacher. Umwarimu. Teacher. Umwarimu. Okay. Teacher. Umwarimu. Teachers, abarimu. Teachers, abarimu. Birimo biraza we. Birimo biraza. Okay. Man, umugabo. Husband, umugabo. Men, abagabo. Men, abagabo. Vocabulary. We have vocabulary, dufite inyunguramagambo. Yego raka, icyongereza tukige gahoro gahoro, gahoro gahoro, hamwe na aimable, wivu aimable, wivu aimable. Okay. I love you, ndabakunda. I love you, ndagukunda. Ibintu byo gukunda, inkunda. I, me, okay, jewe, okay, love you, okay, you, wowe, okay, I, me, jewe, you, wowe, okay, I love you, okay, ndagukunda. Oh my god, oh my gosh, okay, ndagukunda. Sibyo rata, okay. Yego, twige twikundanira. Person, people. Umuntu, abantu. Person. Any person here? Okay. Nta muntu uri hano? Any person here? Okay. Here, hano. Okay. Inyungura magambo. Tugende dukoresha uduteruro duto n'amagambo make make dufite. Nibyo tugiye gutangirira kuzagenda kugeza dutangira gutya nk'umwana nyine wa mwana utangira kugenda rimwe na rimwe akikubita hasi akagwa akamubwira pole agahaguruka. Natwe niko tugiye kujya tubikora sasa hivi. Okay. N'agasikayire kajemo. Okay. Amani umugabo, meni abagabo, woman, woman umugore. My friend, okay, I have a friend, mfite inshuti, okay, told me, okay, yarambwiye. I have a friend, mfite inshuti, told me, yarambwiye. He has a woman. He has niko wavuga. He has a wife umugore w'umugabo. Ubyubashye. Muri rusange umugore, muri rusange rwose umugore koresha aya magambo woman and wife. Okay, woman iyo babaye benshi baba women. women, woman, women. Okay. Ariko but karagarutse ariko but okay, tugenda tubyiga gake gake twisekera nta mpamvu. We have to rejoice, dufite kwishima. We are joy, turishimye. Oh my God, mana yanjye, oh my God. My God. Oh, you see, one day, umunsi umwe, one day, umunsi umwe, we will, tuza, umunsi umwe, we will, tuza, one day, we will. Ako karahagije bantu bange, my people. Okay. Child. Child. Okay, child. Umwana, child. Umwana, children. Abana, child. Umwana, child. Child. Umwana, children. Abana. Okay. Teacher. Mwarimu. Teacher. Umwarimu. Teacher. Umwarimu. Teachers. Abarimu. Teachers. Abarimu. Student ni abigishwa, abanyeshuri. Students, abanyeshuri. Student, umunyeshuri. Student, umunyeshuri. Students, abanyeshuri. Student. Student. Okay. Student, umunyeshuri. Student, umunyeshuri. Students. Okay. Students. Okay. Abanyeshuri. Students, abanyeshuri. Student, umunyeshuri cyangwa se umwigishwa. Okay. Ku magambo menshi dufite y'ikinyarwanda, umwigishwa. Student. Baba benshi bakaba students, abanyeshuri, abigishwa. Okay. Dufite ijambo umusaza. Old man. Umusaza. Old man, umusaza. Umukecuru ni old woman. Umukecuru. Old man, umusaza. Reka dusoreze ahangaha. Mwakoze gukurikira. Wakoze ukurikiye. Urakoze gukanda subscribe. Urakoze gukanda kunzogera. Okay, kugira ngo utazacikwa. Nidutangira kwandika nzatangirira kuri utu tuntu gahoro gahoro, ariko ndagira ngo tubanze tumenye vocabulaire nyinshi, sibyo? Thank you so much. Murakoze cyane. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay.